Now we are starting our chapter number components of topic components of flash. First of all, we should know what is components. What do you mean by components? What is components? Can anybody tell me? Components क्या होता है? Okay, fine. Have a look. Type. Types of flash. Anything more? Yeah, I mean components. What do you mean by components? Have a look. This is your whatever chalk box or whatever thing. So these are two passes in it. So this is component of this. Component means part. Types means white chalk, some colorful chalk. So these are types. तरीके, right? And this is part. तो components क्या होते हैं? What is components? Parts of flash. Is this clear? Fine. Now let's go for our components. First one is suppose this is your notebook, right? And you want to draw something. This is your page where you are drawing or where you are writing. Again, have a look. This is the page where you want to write or draw. So the particular area where we work, please make the notes. I have told you on that day also. On instant notes you should make so that when I ask the question it should be clear. There should be a notebook, fair notebook at the back. Make the instant notes. So the area where we write or work, the area where we write or draw is stage. We draw or we work or we type text. Again have a full-fledged notebook. Full-fledged notebook. An area where we Achutam, where we speak loudly, where we Manmeet, where we stage is an area where we work or type or draw. Sarika, what is stage? What is stage? What is stage? Anshika, what is stage? That's why I am telling you make instant notes. Stage is an area. Wait. Stage is an area where we type, draw or work. Type क्या करेंगे? What we type? Flowers, text. What we type? Text. Draw. Any drawings? Flowers. Work collectively. Typing and drawing. Work. We need a time. If I am to learn this chapter till tomorrow, I am giving you the timeline. Okay. And if I am saying that there is a test next week, timeline. If you have to, each and every work has a time. Now, this is your set software where we do the animation part. Even I have discussed on that day also. This is your stage, full part stage. Here I want to make a film. यहाँ पर मैं एक फिल्म बनाना चाहूँ. Yeah, I want to make an animation. So what I am going to do, that there is an cartoon character over here. A cartoon character, right? And he is moving here. Till this he moved, and a bus comes. A bus comes, and he just boarded the bus. Bus में वो बैठा. Times are there. He is moving for a time. Then he just move to the bus. Then bus moves. Then bus stops, and then he drops down. And then next scene. Office moving to office. Lots of scene make a film. Now each and every scene has a time limit, and that time is set in time. Now have a look at your book. Timeline contains the sequence of images and other elements for the animation. Got it? Everyone, what is timeline? Timeline is, in simple words, timeline is used to set the timing for the animation. Simple. Timeline is used to set the timings for the animation. And I am going to ask the internal questions from whatever things I have discussed in the class. So instant notes properly should be there. While you will submit the notebook, I will just have a look. See, thoroughly I will not check because these are your notes. But I will have a look that you are making. Put the date, chapter properly, instant notes. Okay. Now, beta. Of the objects. Simple. Next is tools. Tools panel. What is tools panel? Tools. What are tools? In paint there are tools. Let me start with paint. In paint there are lot of tools like rectangle, sphere, color, and all that. They are different. Tools are present. कवर टूल्स पैनल क्या होता है? जहाँ पे there are different tools. ठीक है. So in this, the view section is used to view. How to view? अभी I had written, I have sent you a message, for example, in the mobile, and this is like this. You are not able to see it. What you will do? In the mobile, there is a message, just small size, and you are not able to see. What will you do? Neha, what will you do? A text is written in your mobile which you are not able to see. What will you do? Zoom करोगे? कैसे zoom करते हो? Manmeet, how you zoom? In the mobile how you zoom? ऐसे through the fingers you zoom ना? Simple. तो view section in the flash have zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in means to big, zoom out means to small. Clear Sonika? Clear all. Next is beta your options view and your properties view. Now have a look for options and properties. Options. For example, there is a tool, this in your flash, right? And there is an arrow button here. This is here, and in this is your shape tool. This is your shape. Now I want to draw a circle. I want to draw a circle to make a joker or whatever. So this arrow I will click, and then I will get lot of shapes, and that shapes are the blank of shape tool, options of shape. Option क्या होती है? Alternate. If picture is not there, I can stand, let's stand Ayan here to monitor the class. If Ayan is not there, let me stand. So you are the students of grade 7. If one is not able to cover, I am going to other. That is options. Alternates. Simple definition of options is the alternates. Lots of alternates or options are available in the shape tool. Now properties. I want to make a hut. Fine. So this I make with the help of triangle tool. Then broaden I have gone for this. Then this part. And this is of black color, this is of red color, this is dotted, this is more dots. So what are these? Shapes, simple shapes, but I can change the properties of the line. It can be thin, it can be thick, it can be dotted line, it can be dots. What are these? These are properties. I can change the color, I can change the height, width, style. ये सब क्या है? Properties होंगी किसमें? टूल्स का. Now through, for example, stand up. Through explain this green board. Slightly move your mouse down. Explain this in 2 lines. Green board is used to write text. Second, to view. Sit down. Who has made this? Gracie. Sarika, if you want, if Rupa ma'am told to make this, how will you make it? With your imagination, tell me. How will you make this? This Gracie have made. If I told that make this, how will you make it? You will take a box. Which shape box? Triangle box. You will cover it, cut it, and go for it. Sit. Divyansh, how will you make this? Any shape. Now, this is circular shape. She told I will take triangle. Might be she is taking any other color और कुछ और shape. तो ये क्या हो गया? एक ही चीज, one thing with different properties. समझ आ? Clear? So these are your components of. Now again have a look. Stage we have discussed. Timeline we have discussed. Tools we have discussed. Tools are having 4 sections: tools, view, colors, and options. Properties we have discussed. Any doubt in this? Clear? Full-fledged page clear. Now come to page number 59. The very important questions are in this. Who invented, first of all, Flash? Flash was first known as, make a flow chart. You will easily remember. 95. Future Flash. In 1993, Smart Sketch by this company, Future Wave company. Then again editing was done, upgradation was done, and in 1995, Future Flash. Those are 2 years. And after that, this Future Flash was bought by which company? Which company? Macromedia company. Macromedia company, which make which software? By editing. Final noun is Flash. Is it clear? This is your display. Now types of files in Flash. When you save your file, it gets saved with extension .fla. Extension of Flash is FLA. So the extension, जिस भी फाइल की extension FLA है, that is in your computer. So you can again open it, again you can make the changes. Manmeet, ध्यान वापस आओ. We are not in the class. जैसे words में you type, once you type or you make the power presentation in PowerPoint, once you save it, again you open it and do the typing. जैसे एक बार तुम लोग उसको बंद करके आते हो लैब में किसी फाइल को, अगली बार जाके उसी फाइल को दोबारा खोल के उसमें एडिटिंग करते हो. ठीक है, उसी तरीके से बेटा फ्लैश में द फाइल विच इज सेव्ड वी कैन डू द एडिटिंग. बट द मूवीज दैट यू सी इन द टीवी, कैन यू एडिट इट? क्या उसकी सीडी खरीद के उसमें एडिटिंग कर सकते हो? व्हाई? क्योंकि इट इज अ फाइनल प्रोडक्ट। एक चीज बन रही है, एक चीज तैयार हो गई, one file on which we are working and one is out. So the file on which we are working having software FLA and the final which is for customer games हैं कुछ नहीं है, तो उसकी एक्सटेंशन होगी SWF। For example, after there is a software engineer, ठीक है, हिंदी में स्विच ऑन, एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है, आपके पास कोई कस्टमर आया, he want that to design a video। परीक्षित सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आयान इसके पास आया एज अ कस्टमर, आयान टोल्ड परीक्षित दैट आई वांट अ गेम विद सम कार्स एंड ऑल दैट, तो परीक्षित स्टार्ट डिजाइन, कंप्यूटर पे उसने डिजाइन करना शुरू किया। अब एक दिन में तो ये बनाएगा नहीं, बहुत बड़ी गेम्स होती हैं, यू यूजुअली प्ले दैट आर हैविंग डिफरेंट लेवल्स एंड ऑल दैट। So what Parikshit is working on, he designed the things, he save it and move to back to his home. Next day again he come, he will open the file, उस पर दोबारा करेगा। वर्ड फाइल है, तुम लोगों को मैंने दिया एक प्रोजेक्ट दिया 50 पेजेस का टाइप करने के, तो इन द वन डे यू विल नॉट एबल टू टाइप, यू विल टाइप, सेव इट, अगेन अनदर डे यू विल टाइप। ये तो जो फाइल जिस पे हम काम कर रहे हैं in the Flash, now I am switching to Flash because Flash is an animation software, fine, where we can make animation movies, games and all that, but it is your after professional course, this is just introduction in your 7th grade। हाँ, जिसको हम बार बार सेव करते हैं, एडिट करते हैं, चेंजेस करते हैं, that is Flash, FLA, Flash। now finally one day my game is planned, Parikshit has planned the all 100-200 levels, might be it has taken a month or 2 or 3, but final product is there which I want to export। once it will be exported I can't do the editing, इसमें मैं अब कोई चेंजेस नहीं कर सकता। हाँ, एज अ इंजीनियर और डिजाइनर ही कैन अपग्रेड, जैसे लेवल्स होते हैं ना, बढ़ते हैं, एक गेम आई उसकी फर्दर कुछ और फर्दर आ जाता है, बट उसमें एडिटिंग नहीं होती, उसका फर्दर एडवांस वर्जन आ जाएगा। अपग्रेड वही मैं बोल रही हूँ कमर, दैट इट कैन बी एडवांस्ड वर्जन, वो वर्जन नहीं हो, इट विल बी एडवांस्ड वर्जन, है ना। तो दैट exported file which we cannot edit is SW। समझ में आया? Clear? Fully clear? So it is saved and again I want to open, अभी I can open only this file, so that is fine, this chapter is over। Now tomorrow there will be an